So hey guys, want to do another tip and trick video for you. So you know that there's a sensor here in the window. So you want to make sure that the window area is clean above there. That could really mess it up. But there's another one I've heard a lot of issues that you guys were having with them. It's this sensor here in the bumper. This is very finicky. It doesn't take much to mess this up. So before you go like disconnecting batteries and stuff, you want to make sure that this is clean, because that could add to a lot of issues that you're having. Just by having this kept clean, it could avoid a lot of those. So what I like to do is spray a cleaner on here, a plastic cleaner, because this is plastic. It'll help keep it clean. It'll help repel some dirt too. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my 303 aerospace on it. Okay, so I put 303 aerospace, you guys know I like for plastic. You can see it shines out a tiny bit. But the most importantly is it keeps it clean, and it also makes it a little slick. So like the road debris and stuff will not stick to it as easily as just plain plastic. But like say there's like a little leaf in here, that could definitely throw your sensors off. So I just want to point out that if you have one of these cars, definitely make sure to keep this clean. It's an area that's always gets missed when you wash your car. You don't really think about it, at least I haven't really. But then I see like little dirt on it and stuff, and one little thing in the wrong area can definitely throw it off here. So use your favorite cleaner, clean it. Like I said, don't be worried about spraying cleaner on it. It's fine. It's a sealed unit and it's plastic. So just keep that clean and you'll notice a lot less issues with these sensors. Hope that helps you guys out. Hope everyone's doing good out there. I appreciate it as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks everybody.